Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to check the values inserted into the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever we create the table in MySQL after creating the database, we insert the values into the table. Okay, so we enter one or two values or we enter more than five or six. So whatever the number of values you want to enter, you will enter it into the table. Okay, so here you can see like I have inserted some of the values into the table. Like here you can see Harish, John and all. Okay, so I have inserted the values with respect to the student age, student name and the student class. Okay, and now suppose if you want to check like what are the details which have been entered into the table means. So for that, what you can do is like I will just tell you what the query like from that query like you can check like whatever the values or the details has been inserted into the table. Okay, so for that what you can do is like here you can use the query select star from whatever the table name here you have given. Okay, so here the table name is student underscore details. Okay, so here you can see one more table by name record details. Okay, so I have not entered any values into the record details table. Okay, so here you can see like I have inserted the values only into the student details table. Okay, so that's why I am selecting select star from student table. Okay, that means like here it will show all the values which has been entered into the table student details. Okay, so now let's try to execute this particular query by, by selecting the query and pressing Control Enter. Okay, so here you can see like I have inserted the values. Student name is 18, Harish, and student class is 10. Okay, so here you can see like these details has been repeated twice. That means because like I have entered this particular value twice into the particular table student details. That's why it is showing it as 2 times 18 Harish 10, 18 Harish 10. Okay, so I have entered this particular values twice into this particular table student details, and I have entered this value into the student details only once. That's why it is showing once for John and it's showing 2 times for Harish. Okay, so this is how you can check what are the values, what are the details you have entered into the table after creating the table in the database in MySQL. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.